mai I pōtiki rua ki te toka a whaiau. Rere iho ki ngā tukemata o ka hungunu. Ngā reo irirangi o Tairāwhiti.
For all of your local stories, there's no better place than right here on
Kapu Tairāwhiti, your weekly work of art, brought to you by Tūranga FM Radio Ngāti Pro and Radio Kahungunu.
Now this week we're celebrating Tairāwhiti, an interactive visual arts experience composed of illuminated installations and sculptural works that highlight contemporary design and connections to place. In 2024 we welcomed Melanie Tangaere Baldwin back as curator with collaboration and support from internationally renowned lighting designer Angus Muir.
This kaupapa opened last night and we'll have more for you soon. But first, anei ngā taipitopito o te Tairāwhiti. Morena he ka mā ki te Tairāwhiti hei te tauhau tū ai te kaupapa kohi moni eke hoiho o Waiapu. He wāhi e tae ana e ngā kai eke hoiho ki te tiro ki ngā momo tirohanga whenua o te takiwā. Hei te toru te kau o ngā rā o Hānuere ki te tuarua o ngā rā o Pepuere tū ai te kaupapa nei na Melanie Tangaere.
Ki tūranga nui a kiwa nei no ngā haora rua te kau mā whā kua taha atu, tū ai te whakataitai waka ama mō ngā rehi roa o te motu. Te wā tuatoru kua tū te kaupapa ki koneki, arā ki tūranga nui a kiwa. Ko tahi mano ngā kaihoe ka whakataitai atu mai I ngā reanga rangatahi, tairawa atu ki te hunga kaumātua.
Ki ka hungunu, kua hoki atu te mākete ki pāhara keke, ka tīmata hei te rima karaka I te ahiahi, hei te kau o ngā rā o oke topa. He nui te kai, kei reira hoki e tahi whakataitai, ke mu anō hoki. Whakapā atu kia Ruth Wong ki te tari o te iwi o ngā te kahungunu Iwi Incorporated. Akati, koe rā ngā taipitopito o te wā.
This year, Te Ara returns bigger and brighter than ever. In 2024, artists from across Aotearoa and the Pacific unite to create stunning works that celebrate aroha, kotahitanga and the hope for a bold, shared future for our mokopuna.
An interactive journey through illuminated installations and sculptural masterpieces. This year's experience is curated by the talented Melanie Tangaere Baldwin, who joined us in the studio to talk all about this amazing showpiece.
In the studio, we have the curator of Te Tairāwhiti, which is part of the Tairawhiti Arts Festival, and we are so happy to have her in the studio. Melanie Tangaere Baldwin joins us now. Morena, Melanie.
Morena.
Ka pai. So we're a little bit excited because over the bridge there, we can see the setup for Te Tairāwhiti. Tell us about it.
I just walk around, but everybody else is working really, really hard. Angus Muir and his crew have come down from Tamaki, and they're just pumpers, they're just machines. They just like turn around and something's gone up.
Can you tell us about this year's artists? Because I haven't seen these, so I'm thinking they're brand new.
Yeah, so there's only myself and Irina Kapu who are coming back, but otherwise everyone is their first time. So there's two from Toi Haukura, so Rihari Campbell Collier, there's the massive haki in the middle of the field that he's done. And
Is that the Te Koti one?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
And Renee McDonald, she's at Toi at the moment. I wanted it to be very much about kotahitanga aroha and kind of broadening our understanding of how other people view the world and those kaupapa. So I just wanted to bring a whole bunch of people who work across very different fields to our town, and they're all really high level artists, so that we can take for granted that we have these main high level artists in our town from all over.
And the kids love it as well. I mean, we were talking about, Rahia's boy Teo Mangia, just it's like their rainbows end there, 'cause, it's right here in Tūranga.
One of the cool things is because you be an artist and you can't normally hide amongst your work and hear how people really feel about it. So I'm a creep. I like sit in the dark and listen to people's critique.
Feedback,
and our town is harsh. Like the people are like, oh wow, it says on here that says supposed to be that, but they don't look like that. And you're just like, hold your tongue. So this lady came down from Auckland last year, like a really kind of high up curator, and she was like, it was one of the coolest public art experiences she had because our community take it really seriously, expect a really high standard, and everybody reads the kaupapa for each artist.
Now, the other thing we should talk about is that, I don't know, there are also some workshops at Tairāwhiti. Tell us more about that.
So Ngaruma Riley, who she's a cover, she makes karitau. That's one of her kind of specialties, and she's doing some paper karitau workshops where you can just kind of make paper puppets. 2 workshops on Saturday morning and Saturday afternoon, and Sione Monu is doing them at the same time, and he makes floral clouds, so floral clouds with Mardi Gras beads of rain. Yeah, they're really beautiful.
Oh, that is so cool. So for people that are wanting to see Tairāwhiti, when does it start and how long is it on for?
It starts on Friday night, so this Friday, and there's going to be a little concert, and it goes until Sunday the 13th, so for 10 days we are.
Cool. Who's going to be performing at the concert? It's a secret.
It's a secret.
Cool.
Tell you what, I'm going there tonight. I'm going to take the tamariki.
Yes.
Karewaku tamariki, ngari, I'll find some.
Go and collect some.
Yeah.
Chuck them in your truck.
Okay, thank you, Rahia. Koe ranga kōrero o te wā, but join us tomorrow as we are going to be at the launch of Dr. Monty Suter's second book in his acclaimed trilogy series, Kāwai.
But until then,
E te ti, e te tā.
hei kona, lock up your kids.
I'll just take te aumangia.
Okay.
Ko te reo, te take.